Last class, we have seen how to design a greeting card of Raksha Bandhan in MS Word. This class, a new project I am giving you, you have to create this type notice. Can you see this one? In this way, you have to create a notice for the spot painting competition. So let us see how to create this beautiful notice in the MS Word software. For this, you have to start Microsoft Word in your computer and then you can start it. Okay. So first, let us start from for creating the shapes. Okay, because these are the boxes and inside the box we have to write the content. Okay. So just click on Insert tab. There is called Insert tab. In this, you will easily get Shapes option. Illustration group. In the Insert tab, Illustration group is there, and then this Shapes. You can directly, when you just enlarge this window, you can directly get this option, Shapes, in the Illustration group. Insert tab, Illustrations group. Okay, Insert tab, Illustration group, Shapes option. You have to use the Shape option. So just click here, Shape option, and take this rectangle. You have to take this rectangle, this one, right? Then after, you have to draw here rectangle in this way. Then by default, color is filling. Okay, you can just use this one or shape fill none. This is the shape fill and make it no fill, right? You have to click on shape fill and then no fill option. Okay, so shape no fill. Then after there is option called shape outline. You can see here, this is called as shape outline. Click here shape outline. Then here it is dashes line. So you can select this one, dashes. Okay. So your object will come, means your box will come in this shape, right? Now let us see how to create the different boxes as it is given in the notice section. Okay. So this is the box. This is the box. You can just click and drag to any place, but you have to click at the border. This is the border. You have to click at the border and then you can drag and drop. The next thing we have to create in this way notice. Okay. So again go to the insert option, illustration, this shapes. I am taking the box, rectangle that is. So just make this box in this way. It is coming fill, just make it none. Okay, no filling. Here is the shape fill option. Click on no fill. Now you have to write inside this. So just right click on this box, on this border, right click, pop-up menu will come, this options will come. You have to click on add text. Add text. In this way, we can insert text, means we can write the text in any shape. So click on this. After right clicking, click on add text option. Now increase the size from here. Then just type the content in the red color. You have to do in capital letters notice. So just select this one. You can make it bold and then accordingly you have to increase the size of this box. So you can place this one. Even you can change the color of this shape outline. Okay. Just go to the format option. Again, this option will come. This is the shape outline. Shape outline color, you just give it red color. So the line of the shape, the outline of the shape will also come in the red color. So similarly, in this box also, if you want to write anything, then you have to select this box, right click, add text. Then you can start writing here. This is it is coming at the center. You increase the writing, suppose 18 size, or you can increase more, 22. Okay. In this way, you can write inside it also. But let us design some more shapes, just like this stars are there. So just go to the insert tab, illustration, shapes. Stars you can find out this way, stars are there, right? This is the 6-point star. Click on the 6-point star. Now drag it. In this way, one, you can fill any color from this fill option. This is called the shape fill. A bucket is there. Identify this symbol, then this yellow color, right? Now you can make the copy of this stars. Okay. Copy of this command, you can just go to the here quick access toolbar, or you can just click here. This button is also there. Wait, go to the file. Sorry. You can just copy it by just right clicking. There is option called copy. Can you see this option? Copy option. When you right click on this on particular this shape, there is option called copy. After copy, you have to right click and just do the paste. So it will come the second object. Paste shortcut is also there, Control plus V. Okay. See, this object is not moving, right? Better way I'm telling you, just click here, press the Control key and hold it. आपको कंट्रोल की को होल्ड करके रखना है कीबोर्ड से. तो देखो साइन कैसा आ जा रहा है. फिर क्लिक करके आप इसको बस खींचो, ऐसा ड्रैग करो. देखो डबल हो गया ऑब्जेक्ट. कंट्रोल की को मैंने छोड़ा नहीं है कीबोर्ड से. आप उसको प्रेस करके रखो. Then after again click and drag it. So see how beautifully I have copied the contents. Okay. But the middle star is somehow small. So this 8 corners are there. It is called as handles. This is the side handles. This one. See mouse pointer in this shape. And when we place the cursor on this side handles, then the shape changes. So you can click and drag. So you can make it and adjust it in this way. Right? Now the next we have, okay, the shapes little bit upside. So just click and drag in this way. The next we have to write this venue, day and date and time. So let us again make this shape, illustration, insert tab, illustration, shapes, then this rectangle. Okay, illustration, shapes, this shape. So make this shape. You can just after making also you can click and drag to it to place properly. Okay. Then you have to use this shape, right? Now you can start writing here. Right click, add a text option. In any object you can write. Okay. There is option called align text. You make it top. So it will come at the top, and in the home tab, make it left. Okay. This is the left align. Increase the size. Now you start writing. Just like venue. Okay. So venue is, suppose I am writing school auditorium. Then day and date. So let us give day and date. suppose it is 8 August 2020. Then time is 10:30 a.m. Okay. So it is coming little bit big size. Just select it. There is option called line spacing. This one, line and paragraph spacing. Click here. Just make it 1.0 and make it a small size. So it will come. Yes, 14 size it is enough. Now, children should bring their own drawing sheets, colors, brushes, etc. So again, one line we have to adjust it. So just make it, this box is big. The top box, let little bit, do it, increase the size and increase this box size also in this way. When this line will come now, there is a spacing problem or spelling mistake like that. So properly you adjust it. Otherwise, you can just right click on this. There is option called ignore all. If you have written the right spelling, okay. If you have written everything is right, then just do it ignore. Actually, it is giving suggestion that you have typed wrong. Okay. The next is last line in caps lock. Just make it the caps lock on, then type this line. Winner of the competition will receive a gift voucher. Now what you have to do, just select this text, make it bold. Bold means darker, and also give the underline. So we have designed the bottom portion of this notice. Okay. See here there is no outline. So you can just hide this outline by going to the again format shape. So here it is saying, see the fill color it is there, this is outline color. Just make it no outline. Just make it no outline. So see now there is no outline. Same as it is we have done this. Now only we have to write the school name, address and the this some more titles. So just go to the insert tab. Again insert some more shapes. This is the shape option. So the first shape, it is for the school name. Okay. Just make this box again, this one. Okay. Again insert shapes. The second for the address one. Just make it this one again. Then again take one more shape for the competition writing. Again use this one only. And after that just right click on this particular shapes and just option is add text. Very good option. Okay. So let me give Bal Bharti Public School NTPC, right? Then NTPC Sipat. Here only I am giving Bilaspur. Okay. Now here right click add text on the spot painting competition for children. Okay. See here all the characters are here capital letters, but here I have done it small. So without deleting it, you can change it. Select the text, go to the home tab. There is option called change case. This is the option called change case. Okay. When you go to the home tab, there is option called change case. Here you have to do it uppercase. When you click on uppercase, automatically you can see here all the sizes means all the letters will become the capital letters. Again you can see here. Select the text, go to the home tab, change case option, do it uppercase. So you can see here, this is also come in the capital letters. So see, without deleting, we have adjusted this one. Okay. I hope you have understood this thing. So the last line, that is add text, here also we can just give between 11 and 14 years. Okay. Then after, you can change the color, you can make it bold, this one more beautifully. This is the font color, make it the green color. Same thing you can do for this also, in this way. This also you can make it like this. Okay, you can decrease the size of this and then click on the border. If you want to move, अगर आपको ये particular चीज को move करना हो, तो आप इस border पे ही click करके आप यहाँ पे text को लेके आओगे. Okay. So in this way we have created this beautiful notice in Microsoft Word. I hope you understood it, you practice it. Little bit options may be changed position in of version problem, that is Office 2007, but the option you will get in the same tab I have told you. Okay, just like change case option here only, insert this shape option you will get in the insert tab only, and all these things just try to make it. Okay, if any doubt you can ask me, right? Thank you.